Why'd you call me here?
Come sit.
I'm good.
You're all grown up. You look just like me.
Yeah. Okay.
I heard you are getting married.
Yeah. I would have told you if you ever kept in touch.
I'm sorry. Just take good care of your wife.
Take care of her? Really? The way you took care of Mom? The way you took care of me, right? You don't get to say that.
And I left because
Because you were selfish. You left because you were selfish. When things didn't go your way, instead of trying to solve things, you just left. You left your wife and you left your son. Your son, who was 8 years old. You know, I would go to bed every night thinking I was gonna see you again. And then I'd wake up to the reality that my dad abandoned me.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. I didn't need a sorry. Instead of a sorry, you could have visited, or you could have told me what really happened. I haven't seen you for 15 years, and now what? You want to give me relationship advice?
I know I should have been there for you.
You should have been there. I learned everything on my own because of you. I went to school on my own. I learned soccer on my own. I got bullied and learned to get back up on my own. I went to college on my own, and I got a job on my own. Now, I'm gonna get married on my own. You weren't there for me when I needed you the most. And I don't need you anymore. How come you never wanted me, Dad?
I wanted you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, son. I should have been there for you. I was selfish. I wasn't making any money. I was a drug addict. Your mom told me to choose. And I chose. I made the wrong choices. I didn't know how it would affect you and your mom. I couldn't see anything right till I was sober. But that was 15 years I lost. 15 years of being with you and my wife. I wanted to come. I really wanted to come and see you. But I thought I will only pain you more. But the truth was, it wasn't that I couldn't face you. I couldn't face myself. I'm sorry.